Hello everyone, just a short video today. Perhaps at times you heard me mention Forth. Maybe you're curious about the language, you would like to have a go at learning some of it, but you don't want to spend any money on any books. You don't want to have to find a Forth version to install on your system and go through all the steps of installing it. Well, if you feel that way, but you're curious about Forth, then I introduce you to this website. It's not my work, it's by username Skilldrick, that's Nick Morgan, and no connection stuff. I've not been paid to make this, it's just a tool that I think is quite useful that you might be interested in. So the amazing thing about this website here is that you can actually do Forth in your web browser. He has implemented Forth in JavaScript and embedded it into this web page, so you can follow this tutorial step by step. You begin with really simple things, just adding numbers together in postfix. So for example, 123 plus 456 is written as 123 456 plus, and you can see the stack at every step. So that stack we talk about that can be a bit mysterious is no longer there. So have a go through this. You'll go through the arithmetic, you go through defining words, you look at how to manipulate the stack. So this is about dupe and drop and swap and over. These words can be tricky without seeing clearly what's happening to the stack, but once you understand them, they're quite straightforward. You go through output, you have a look at loops, which are a fundamental building block of all programming languages, conditionals, which you use to write a little program called FizzBuzz. It's very popular in the programming world. And after you've done FizzBuzz, you learn just a little bit more: variables, constants, arrays, reading the keyboard, until you get to this really exciting part where you actually have a look at the game Snake. So, oh, I crashed. Let me try again. So you can see here you can play Snake right here in your browser. The Snake is written in the Forth, and you can examine the Forth code. It goes through it and you can see it step by step. For a beginner it might be a bit difficult to get your head around this, so don't worry if you get to this part and you don't quite understand. What I would recommend is continue learning Forth by yourself, or get in touch with me, and once you get a little bit better at Forth, have a look back at this code and it will make a lot more sense to you. So I highly recommend this web page if you're interested in Forth but you don't want to install Forth yet. So yeah, I hope you try this out and you like it.